Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In our video, Case Accounting versus Accurate Accounting. In this video, we will explore the key difference between these two accounting methods and help you understand when to use each method. Case accounting and accrual accounting are two different methods used to track a company's financial transactions and reports its financial result. They differ in the way they recognize revenue and expenses, and they have specific use cases and advantages. Here an overview of each accounting methods. Let's start the case accounting. Case accounting is the simpler of the two methods and is based on actual case. Moment in case accounting, revenue is recognized when cash is received and expenses are recognized when cash is paid. It is often used by a small business and individuals because its strength forward and aligns with their actual cash flow. It does not take into account receivable or account payable. Case accounting case distorts to companies financial picture when there are significant timing difference between the transactions occur and when cash is exchanged. Now let's talk about accrual accounting. Accrual accounting is more complex but provide a more accurate picture of a company's financial performance over a specific period. In accrual accounting, revenue is recognized when it is earned regardless when cash is received, and expenses are recognized when they are incurred regardless of when they are paid. It provides a more accurate reflections of a company's financial health as it consider accounts receivable and accounts payable. Accrual accounting is generally required for larger business, publicly traded companies, and for financial reporting purpose according to generally accepted accounting principles like GAAP. Accrual accounting may require more record keeping and tracking of financial transactions compared to case accounting. When to use each method? Case accounting is suitable for small business with straightforward finance and the individual who want to track their personal finance. It's also a good choice when simplicity is more important than accuracy. Accrual accounting is necessary for business that have a more complex financial structure and need to accurately match revenue and expenses to a specific period. It is also the standard for financial reporting to stakeholders such as investors, lenders, and government agencies. It's worth noting that some business use a combination of both methods for tax and financing reporting purpose. This is known as a hybrid method. However, when preparing financial statement for external reporting or compliance with accounting standards, accrual accounting is typically required. If you find the video helpful, like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for